Protecting Personal Data and Online Privacy, CosmoTech Chronicles. Hello, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to CosmoTech Chronicles. I'm Sushant, and today we're diving into a crucial topic that concerns every internet user: protecting your personal data and online privacy. With the digital world growing every day, safeguarding your information is more important than ever. In this video tutorial, we'll cover essential tips and tools to help you stay safe online. Let's get started. Why online privacy matters. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why online privacy matters. Your personal data is valuable, and it's constantly at risk from hackers, advertisers, and even your internet service provider. Protecting it is crucial to avoid identity theft, financial loss, and maintaining your digital autonomy. Strong passwords. The first line of defense is strong passwords. Avoid common words and use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Consider using a passphrase for added security. And most importantly, never reuse passwords across multiple sites. Instead, use a password manager to generate and store them securely. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Next, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, whenever possible. It adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, usually a one-time code sent to your smartphone. This makes it much harder for unauthorized individuals to access your accounts. Secure browsing. Secure your browsing by using privacy-focused web browsers like Firefox or Brave. Install browser extensions such as Privacy Badger and uBlock Origin to block trackers and ads. Additionally, always look for https:// in the URL to ensure secure connections. VPNs, virtual private networks. Consider using a VPN or virtual private network. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, making it nearly impossible for others to spy on your online activities. Choose a reputable VPN service with a strict no-logs policy for maximum privacy. Social media privacy settings. Don't forget to review and adjust your social media privacy settings regularly. Limit the amount of personal information you share and control who can see your posts, photos, and personal details. Be cautious about accepting friend requests from strangers. Email security. Your email is a treasure trove of personal information. Enable two-factor authentication for your email accounts and be cautious of phishing emails. Always verify the sender's authenticity before clicking on any links or downloading attachments. Avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive transactions. Avoid conducting sensitive transactions on public Wi-Fi networks. They are often insecure, and hackers can easily intercept data. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a VPN or a mobile data hotspot for added security. Regular software updates. Keep your devices and software up to date. Developers release updates to patch security vulnerabilities. Ignoring updates leaves your system exposed to potential threats. Educate yourself. Finally, educate yourself about online threats and best practices for staying safe. There are plenty of online resources, books, and courses on cybersecurity. The more you know, the better you can protect yourself. And there you have it, valuable tips for protecting your personal data and online privacy. Remember, it's not a one-time thing, it's an ongoing process. Stay vigilant, use strong passwords, and make privacy-conscious choices online. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to CosmoTech Chronicles for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there in the digital cosmos. Stay tech-savvy, stay secure, and until next time, this is Sushant signing off.